Hey everybody, it's Gus Activa, and today we will be doing a comprehensible input video. I am in a hotel and I wanted to show you guys the room so you guys can learn new vocabulary words. You guys can see how a room is set up and learn those vocabulary words in English. So let's go ahead and start. The room number here is 204. So 204. Normally, when it comes to hotel room numbers, it's just 204. And here we have the hotel key card, and we will scan it and open the door. Now we are inside the hotel room. Now let's do an in-depth tour. Here is the thermostat where if the room is too hot, you would turn down the temperature. If it's too cold, you will turn up the temperature. Let's go down. Let's see what this is. Okay. These are light switches. So if it's too bright, meaning if there's too much light, you can turn off the lights. If it's too dark, you can turn on the lights. Alrighty. Start over here. So normally, some hotels have complimentary beverages in a bar. Basically meaning they have beverages and drinks ready for you upon arrival. So when you come in, they say, "Welcome, so-and-so. This is for you, and you can try what you would like." Here, I believe this is a coffee maker. I'm not too sure. Here you have a cup, a plate, and a spoon. Mix. Like you're making tea or coffee. Let's see. Here, let me put this over here. Here, there's a complimentary water. It's a glass bottle. Here is a robe, so something that you put on yourself. And in here, there are slippers, so something you put on your feet. Put this back in there. I can't put it back in there. It's okay. Here are hangers to hang up your clothes, like this. How I hung up my jacket here. Here we have a nightstand, so we have a light here, the outlet here, some more light switches. We have a notepad here. We have a pen here, just in case I need to write something. Hello. Heart. Anyways, and here we have the bed, just so you guys can get like a full view of the bed. It's a pretty big bed. Here we have a television, and as you can see, there's a book there. The floor is like wooden. It's like a wood floor. Here we have a mirror. Here we have another bottle of water. Another one, because we saw one over there and over there. And now we have one more. That makes 3 bottles of water. Let's see. Let's open the curtain and see what we can see. As you can see outside view of Madrid. Can we open this? Let's see. I don't think so. Oh, it opens like that. So you can kind of let in fresh breeze. I thought it opened like that, but it opens more like that. That breeze feels good, so I'll leave it open. Open it here. Ah, this one opens like that. Let me see. Oh no, that opens like going backwards as well. We're learning together, guys. So that's the outside view. I think that is a noodle restaurant. I don't know. We may have to look into it. As you can see here, we have one chair here, and the color is, I would say, a yellowish, a dark yellow. We have a round, you guys can see that. We have a round table, round. Here we have my book bag. My book bag is black. Here we have a yellow chair. Here we have my suitcase. And let's see what's over here. Here is a sink where you would wash your hands. Here is the soap to wash your hands. Here is the lotion to moisturize your hands. Here we have hand towels. And is this a bath towel? Let me see. Let me see how big it is. Yes, this is big. So it's a bath towel. So after you take a shower, you can use that. I think these are hand towels as well. You see, these are the outlets, the European outlets. Here, let's open the door. And as you can see, here is the bathroom. There is the shower. Here is the toilet. Here is how you flush the toilet. You press it. Here is the toilet paper. And yeah, what else can I show you? Trash can. What's in here? Hair dryer. Tissue for your nose. I don't think this opens. Should it open? I don't know. That one doesn't open though. That's okay. Oh, I think this is, what is this? A mini fridge. So it's a little fridge. Oh, this way. Ah, and they already have it filled with drinks for me. Nice. Alrighty. I think, wait. Let me get on the bed. Let me get on the bed. I think that concludes the video for today. Wait, there's like a little statue, a little toy, little figure up there. He's thinking. But I hope you guys learn some vocabulary in this room tour, this hotel room tour. Wait, what is that? Oh, okay, hold on. This is a curtain. Let me see. This is a curtain. And what it does is, for like more privacy, it covers the whole thing. So that covers the whole bathroom area. Wow. Okay. That sounds cool. Let me see. Let's open that back up. And let me close out the video properly. Alright, so I hope you guys learned some vocabulary in this room tour that I did with you guys. Just remember that the only way to improve your listening in English is by listening in English, using your ears, and using context clues. So that's why I do these videos, so you guys can learn English and actually see it happening. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.